Hi, hello friends, welcome to Swan Institute YouTube channel. And myself, I am Mahesh Achari, registered with NSE, National Stock Exchange. Along with working as a marketing partner in Zero the Demat account, you can find here my registration certificate as well. And you can find our institute in Google as well by searching Swan Institute. Along with you can catch up and Facebook as well by searching Swan SIFM. Along with you can search our institute in Jesdale as well by searching Swan Institute of Financial Markets. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, YouTube channel. So now we are going to discuss about how to set up TOTP in Zero the Demat account. So let's begin to our topic, friends. Before that, we have to know about that OTP means. OTP, you know that generally you getting some OTPs while you are withdrawing your money from the bank, or you are applying for any job or any something. So everything you need to enter the OTP which is you are receiving to your mobile number. So that is OTP, one time password. So after completing accessing this OTP only, we are going to access that website. So what is this TOTP means? It's a time based one time password. Short form is called as a TOTP. So time base, every time means it is every 30 seconds where it will refresh the OTP, then we have to approve that OTP, then only it will access the application. So this is the TOTP, time based one time password, TOTP. When it comes to Zerodha, what is the TOTP means? Here I am going to explain you one example. I try to take a position of Factoral share price, which is illiquid stocks. So I tried to buy this stock, but I got an error that it's a illiquid stock, so have to enable the TOTP. Along with that, I tried to take the position of Muthoot Finance August 1400 CE, which is next month or after second month of contract. But here also I am getting some error that you have to enable the TOTP because it's a illiquid stocks, which there is no buyers or sellers, no. So this is called a illiquid stocks. So that's why Zerodha will alert you that you have to enable the TOTP, then only it will approve. Otherwise, it won't give you the trade or position. So before that, we have to know about the phishing scam. Zerodha always aware about this type of scam. So we are going to briefly know about this phishing scam. So which means fraudsters set up a phishing. Like phishing means it's a fake websites. So phishing scam means fake websites that mimic the look and feel of the login pages of the trading platform offered by large stockbrokers. So these websites are then sent out to unsuspecting investors through the SMS messages or mails and like other social media with the contact data stolen from various sources. So unsuspecting investors then happen to click on these links, which leads to fake websites. So that the mimic the login pages of the trading platforms they are used to, where they enter their login credentials like username, password, security pin, like right. So and other bits of information. So these type of information they are stolen. They are trying to steal our information. They are captured by the fraudsters, which they then use to log in to the investors trading account to execute, buy or sell the transactions, particularly in illiquid, scammy or penny stocks, means which is not traded some years, some months ago, like that. So illiquid options contracts as well. So generating a loss on the compromised account and a profit in their positions. So there are also many cases where scammy penny stocks are bought in customer accounts at a higher price, shares that cannot be sold on the markets as there would be no buyers. For this purpose, we are going to lose our money in the capital markets by the fraudsters simply doing the they are stealing our information. So we now have a permanent solution to this, which is we have to mandatory that TOTP enable step process when trading in illiquid risky contracts, so that Zerodha or some other brokerage companies are offered TOTP, time based OTP. So it means whenever you are going to execute your orders or placing the orders, immediately it will ask you to enable the TOTP. So obviously investors will get an alert or via SMS, which is the you have to enter the OTP. Then he realized that if really he is executing this order, so not a problem. If he is not executing or processing this any order or any contract, so immediately he can alert, and he can change their password and all. So that purpose only we are going to enabling the TOTP. So now we are going to know about the how to set up a TOTP and all. For this purpose we have to install few apps from the Play Store, which is like a Microsoft Authenticator, which is it will give you some TOTPs, time-based OTPs. Along with that, another app which is Google Authenticator. I prefer to take this app, which is it is very comfortable to get the TOTPs when compared to Microsoft Authenticator. So you can also try with the Google Authenticator. Along with a few of more applications are there, so better to go with this app. There are many of apps are available in Play Store. Before that, I want to remind you that if you are going to enabling this TOTP, please ensure that keep with your two mobiles with you, because one have to install that Google Authenticator in one mobile, and another mobile you have to log in your Kite Demat account. Otherwise you can log in with your desktop or laptop. You can log in your account in desktop or computer system, and open your Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator app in your mobile. Then only you can easily scan your scan, and you can activate your Google Authenticator app in your mobile. So it's very comfortable. So please remind this one. Now we are going to open our Kite Demat account, and you just simply log in your Demat account. So give your client ID and enter your password. Click on to the login. So you know that we have to give some security pin, which is a 6-digit pin. This is a Zerodha Kite mobile app interface. If you want to log in desktop or laptop, you can view is different. So you can go to the profile column. So click on the password and security. You can find here password and security. Beside that, there is a manage option is there. Tap on that manage option. So immediately we will get the password. It will ask you the change password and all. No, don't click on this password and all. You can come down and you can scroll down and come to the bottom. You can find the two-factor TOTP, which is now it is in disabled. So enable two-factor TOTP in place of PIN for added security. So you used apps like Google Authenticator. I think you can click on that enable two-factor TOTP below blue color box. So now we are going to click on that enable two-factor TOTP. Yeah, initially you have to give some OTP which is you received to your mail ID. Mail ID which is linked with a Demat account, right? So we are going to enter that OTP initially. Remember this one. While you are enabling the OTP, you have to enter the OTP from your registered mobile mail ID. If you disable your TOTP also, you will get a mail OTP. So we received that OTP and entering here. Right. So it will ask you that 6-digit TOTP. So we don't have 6-digit OTP, right? There is a asking you that scan barcode above. So now we are going to open that Google Authenticator app. So simply open your Google Authenticator app from your registered mobile, which is you can download from the Play Store. So that's why I remind you initially you have to log in one another mobile, and you have to download your Google Authenticator app in another mobile. So that is comfortable. So you already downloaded that Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator app, right? So open that app and it will ask you to scan the barcode. Simply you can scan and activate that Google Authenticator app. So now it will show you every 30 seconds that OTP will refresh. So whenever you are logged in, you just enter this 6-digit OTP of my Google Authenticator app, and again you have to give your current Kite password, current Zerodha Demat account password, and click on that complete. Now TOTP is enabled. So again we have to check whether it is activated or not. So you have to install this Google Authenticator app, which is comfortable, right? So that's why I remain here once again. So now we are going to check whether it is activated or not. So as usual, we are going to entering your client ID and password. Let's see whether it will ask you your old TPIN or TOTP. Yes, look at this. Enter TOTP. Now it is asking that TOTP. Yes, we just entered in our account through that TOTP. So this is the simple step, friends. So we can enable this TOTP. If you want, you can check once again. Click on the profile and password security and tap the manage button. Whether it is enable or disable, you can check once again. Here, come down. Yes, you can find here enabled. So this is the simple step to enable the TOTP. Yes, now we are going to know about how to disable this TOTP. Everybody knows that sometimes, if any network issues are happen, or sometimes SMS will not deliver on time, sometimes it may delay, right? So at that time we are not going to execute our traders and our orders, right? So that purpose we are going to, if you don't like that TOTP, because if you enable this TOTP, whenever you log in to your Demat account, it always asks you the TOTP. If for example, if you travel somewhere, you are trading in your seriously trading, you're stuck in trade, automatically you have to re-log in once again, but your registered mobile number linked with mobile number OTP with somewhere your mobile, right? So at that time, if you want to log in again, it will ask you that OTP. So again you have to call to your home and you have to ask that OTP. So it's a little lengthy process. So that purpose someone will disable this TOTP process. So simply now we are going to explain that how to disable this TOTP. Simply you log in your Demat account right now and click on the profile and select as a password and security. As usual, come down and it's already enabled, right? So now we are going to disable this one. So click on the disable two-factor PIN. It will ask you that enter your PIN password. So you have to enter your password first initially. So I'm going to give them my password. Along with that, you have to select that change PIN. Don't select a change password. You can click on that next box, change PIN box, tick on the blue color, and you have to give new 6-digit PIN. If you want to give new PIN, you can give 6-digit PIN. Otherwise, I am giving a old 6-digit PIN only. So I am giving old 6-digit PIN and confirming that 6-digit confirmation PIN and submit. Yes, TOTP. And again you have to give mail OTP. Initially, before enabling this TOTP, I remind you that you have already entered that mail registered mail OTP, right? So if you are disabled this TOTP also, you have to give the permission to disable this TOTP by entering your mail received OTP. So I am entering the mail received OTP now. So enter and verify. That's it. Simply it will be disabled. You can find here, yes, PIN change successfully. So you will need to re-log in once again to check whether it is disabled or not, right? So again we are going to re-log in once again, PIN change successfully. So now I am going to re-log into my Demat account. If yes, enter your client ID and password. If it will ask you that PIN instead of security PIN, it will ask you the TOTP, then it is a TOTP still enabled. See, now it is asking you that enter your PIN, security PIN, which is now entering that security PIN, 6-digit PIN, right? So now account is opened. So no need to worry about TOTP every time whenever you log into your Demat account. So if you have any still doubt, you can check once again, go to that profile column and you can check a password. And yeah, two-factor TOTP is already disabled. So no need to worry about enter your always that TPIN. Yes, this is about TOTP enabled and disabled, friends. Easy steps. I hope you understood very well. If you I will be glad to get any comments from you side, and don't forget to check the description link. If you not open any demat account with the Zerodha, we know that Zerodha number one stockbroker India. If you don't have a Zerodha demat account, click on the description link which is shared and open demat account right now. Please subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment. I am glad to explain this video, sharing with you guys, and please subscribe to our channel. I'll come back with the new video, new topic by next time. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.